So as you can see here, it's high in the yellow. So on the right side is, that picture represents your liquid level at the moment, and it's rising, it's approaching full. And Doug's going to explain what 1, 2, and 3 mean.
Yeah, there's a possible this device will let you use 5 inputs. We're just using the first 3 on this one, and that's why you see 3 of the 5 kind of illuminated or activated there. When we finally get to green, the fill will shut off and it'll be full, and that's the state it'll reside in until you either empty or go to overflow again. So as soon as it hits green, then I'll talk about how we get to an overflow alarm.
And when it gets to green, it might go green, amber, green. That's because it's called hysteresis. It's at that tipping point, so it might jump back and forth. So that's why you'll see it going back and forth.
But either state's normal.
Yeah, there went green.
Okay. All right, the last part is, at this point you can see that the main's still on, but since we're full, the auto solenoid shut off. No water can get past, our manual's closed. Now, there's some redundancy here. If this fill solenoid were to leak or fail, or somebody accidentally left the manual fill on, we can go to a high alarm condition. I just turned on the manual fill, and it is filling through the fill valve solenoid here because, you know, that one's, or I mean through the manual here. The fill is off and working. So I want to simulate a high level.
How long might this be, Doug?
It's going to be a few minutes.
A few minutes? I'll shut it off.